If you're on my channel, you know I like to crust things. And tonight we're using our coconut milk powder. Now, that little silicone spreader thing. We like it because we found it made it very easy to crust things. Let's over crust them. And I discovered this by accident. I told a couple of people what I was cooking on it. They were, oh, come on. That sounds unbelievable. Yep, it is. The technique is very easy. Just drag the coconut milk powder over the fish. And if I'm correct, I'm the first person to ever do this. I went to Walmart and they had a 1-pound bag of tilapia. And I was like, yeah, what are we going to do with that? And that's how easy it is. Got to realize it's going to go on the bottom of the pan. This is the biggest pan that I own. And I bought this for one reason and one reason only. Alright, I'm going to let it sit for a while. A couple minutes, let it absorb in. And then we'll flip it and do the other side. These are taken out of the freezer not too long ago. All that's spilling over is going to go into the bottom of the pan and caramelize. We just want to let it sit for a couple minutes and set up. Just keep brushing them. Try to coat all the tilapia meat. Alright, give it a couple minutes. We'll be back. Pause for the cause. Alright, we flipped them. Little powder hit the floor. There, we like to shoot short videos, so we'll be back in a sec. Alright, we're just finishing up. And if you notice, we did the not colorful side down, that's the flatter side. And then we flipped it over and did the colorful side. Reason why we did that, the other side's flatter, so we're going to cook it like this. Excellent crusting device. We got pumpkin seed, shiitake mushroom powder, psyllium husk, bitter melon we're out, wasabi, black seaweed powder, sesame powder. Today we went into World Market to see if they had any new crusting agents, and we didn't find any, so we decided to do tilapia with coconut milk powder. Alright, onto the stove. Wait for it. Hey, my refrigerator's running, but in the background you can hear this. See how it's brown? I cooked them on high. Now, it's all about the visuals. Oops. Sorry. We didn't spray this pan because we don't want to spray the pan. Smells amazing. I was hanging out with one of my friends today. I went someplace, change of plans, that's what they call it. I was going to go to the movies with somebody, but I didn't want to do that. All right. Oops. Now everything that's on there, you want to save that. Oh, that's hot. Very hot. Ow. Burny the fingers. All right, we're almost done. I only got like another minute or so. It's never about how hot, how long. It's all about the colors. When you see those colors, it's time to flip. That's the best way to explain it. And wait for it. Been about a minute. Refrigerator's not running. And there you go. Shut the flame down. I was deciding what to do with this. This is not my copper pans. This is a ceramic one, white ceramic. You want to get up all that burny. And we're just going to let it cool down. We haven't figured out what we're going to do with it yet. So, there it is. It's all done. All that's flavor. It's coconut milk powder crusted tilapia. Don't want to waste everything that's stuck to the plastic. That's flavor. Burny. Perfectly browned. Look at that. What we're going to make with this, we have no idea. We'll spend some time and try to figure it out. I'm almost positive you have never seen coconut milk powder crusted tilapia. If you look on my channel, you will see coconut milk crusted shrimp. They were delicious. In a couple days, well, not YouTube days, but the video's done. I just got no time to do my uploads. After I learned that, like, Google or YouTube doesn't tell me how many videos I do a month, I have no ambition anymore. That's how I started the year out. I'm the top YouTuber on the planet. No one is doing 100 videos a month, that is. My first month, January, I did 555. They now send me, they don't tell me how many videos I did a month. What a shame. I have too much fun showing people how to cook. I'll let that come to room temperature. I'll chop it up and I don't know. Actually, you know something? I need to go see my friend up at the Asian market again and get some ideas from him. So, where is it? I lost it. I lost it. Oh, there it is. I have too many crusting elements in my repertoire, so we're actually going to finish it off, get some more of that. You know what they say, some of the... Ooh, look, there's that tilapia right there. It was nice watching a show on TV where a doctor found a burn victim, and what? I put a video on YouTube about tilapia skins used for artificial skin for burn patients. And there you go. We got to figure out what we're going to do with this. Hot sauce, blah, 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 blah. This is yummy. Seriously. You got to try this. They say tilapia is the dirtiest fish. Yeah, it is. But fish is fish.